Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Modern interior dining table and chairs set design ideas offer a wide range of possibilities to create a stylish and inviting dining space that complements the overall aesthetics of a modern home. These design ideas focus on clean lines, sleek materials, and a harmonious blend of form and function. One popular trend in modern dining table and chair set design is the use of minimalist and contemporary styles. Sleek and simple dining tables made from materials like glass, metal, or engineered wood are often favored for their clean and uncluttered appearance. Pairing these tables with modern chairs that feature ergonomic designs and smooth, upholstered seats further enhances the overall sense of modernity and comfort. In modern interior dining spaces, a mix of materials adds visual interest and texture. Combining elements such as wood, metal, and fabric can create a dynamic and sophisticated dining set. For instance, a wooden dining table paired with metal-framed chairs or upholstered seats can add contrast and a touch of elegance to the space. Another emerging trend is the incorporation of unconventional shapes and designs for dining tables and chairs. Oval or round dining tables, for example, offer a contemporary twist on the traditional rectangular shape, encouraging a more intimate dining experience and enabling better conversation among diners. Similarly, chairs with unique silhouettes or interesting cutouts contribute to the modern and artistic appeal of the dining set. Modern dining table and chairs set design ideas also prioritize versatility and space-saving solutions. Extending dining tables, for instance, are becoming increasingly popular in smaller living spaces. These tables can be expanded to accommodate more guests when needed, and then easily folded or reduced in size for everyday use. A focus on neutral color palettes is a hallmark of modern interior dining spaces. Shades of white, gray, black, and earthy tones dominate the design, providing a clean and timeless backdrop for the dining set. Monochromatic color schemes, when paired with subtle pops of color through accessories or artwork, create a cohesive and visually appealing dining area. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the atmosphere of a modern dining space. Pendant lights with sleek and minimalist designs are often chosen to hang above the dining table, providing both functional lighting and a striking focal point. Dimmer switches allow for adjustable lighting to create the desired ambience for different occasions. To add personality and style to the dining area, decor and accessories are thoughtfully selected. A carefully curated centerpiece, contemporary artwork, or a statement rug can infuse the space with character and individuality without overwhelming the clean lines of the modern design. In conclusion, modern interior dining table and chairs set design ideas offer an array of possibilities to create a chic and functional dining space that resonates with contemporary sensibilities. By combining clean lines, versatile materials, and a focus on simplicity and comfort, these design ideas create a dining area that is not only visually appealing but also perfect for gathering, dining, and creating cherished memories with family and friends. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!